G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Welcome to this session of the Scoop School. Nice to have you here. Compressor kicking on in the back. Steve Christensen's my name. I'm the self-appointed headmaster. I welcome you to this session. We also want to welcome our sponsor for this session, which is Dippin' Flavors. I know what you're going to say. Is it Dipping Flavors? No G. Even though Jimmy Stutz is the OG flavor guy, there's no G. Dippinflavors.com. They're based here in St. Louis. They ship ice cream flavors, bases, all sorts of things all over the country. They've sponsored this video to allow us to chat to you about something very important. So thank you. Link down below. If you have a look at their website, or if you're talking to Jimmy or Ryan, tell them Steve said hello. Great guys. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about some of the questions that come in and the comments underneath the videos, which we love. Can I make my own soft serve mix? Should I make my own soft serve mix? And look, in an answer, no, you should not. That's all we have for today. Keep on scooping. Just joking. Now, we've just finished a live stream session. If you'd like to join some of our live stream sessions, scoopschool.community is the place to go. We live stream every Friday. And today we did a live stream session on soft serve, everything about soft serve. All different types of machines, how to put them together, how to sanitize them, different products that you can make, a lot of great questions and answers happening. So if you'd like to join on our live streams, we'd love to have you here. Go to scoopschool.community. In a soft serve machine, unlike any other machine, you've got a very, very complex process where you've got a sealed barrel or a sealed freezing cylinder. And you've got a dasher in here that is churning and spinning at a certain RPM, revs per minute. You've got other elements in here that create a little bit more overrun, like a stator bar. And there's just a lot going on in the freezing cylinder or the barrel of a soft serve machine. If you want to be the person that's making your own mix, then that's wonderful for a batch freezer. A batch freezer has a much wider cylinder. The dasher is basically allowing you there's a lot more flexibility for miscalculations or variances in your formula of your mix. I do not recommend making your own frozen custard recipe to run in a frozen custard or a continuous freezing machine. Same with soft serve. There's just too much stuff happening. And that's in a gravity-fed unit. If you put a homemade soft serve unit or your own recipe soft serve in a pressurized unit, then that whole system is under pressure, and that could get even worse. And I really, in my over 20 years in the business, have really never seen a lot of success with people making their own soft serve product. So here's a tip from me. Use the expertise, the food safety, the scientific formulation process of ice cream mix manufacturers around the country, soft serve mix manufacturers around the country. Let them do the hard work. They've literally got scientists and formulators and engineers that basically design these machines to work with a specific set of parameters in your mix. And when you start throwing more egg, less fat, more stabilizer, stevia, honey, all sorts of things in there, I've really seen some really big issues. If you want to go that route, then pay a formulator, someone who can actually formulate a mix through their company and give you a recipe or help you with that recipe, because coming up with your own, all I've seen is disastrous results, and the poor old technician from the soft serve machine company is getting yelled at because their mix isn't freezing, or it's over freezing, or it's clumping, or it's separating, or there's butterfat coming out. It's just a nightmare. So, should you make your own soft serve mix? I say no, 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 no. Thank you, Jimmy Stutz, for sponsoring this video, Dippin' Flavors. Look, this whole video came as a result of a comment down below. Bit of David Brent. So if you want to leave a comment, we love to answer comments in our YouTube sessions. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe, smash like now. Over here, well, let's start over here. Over here, you'll see the subscribe button. You really should click on that and maybe even hit the bell. Down here is the last video that we did, and over here, it'll take you to scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.